Welcome to SoilOptix, your digital topsoil mapping solution. Today, we're going to go over another frequently asked question. What can I mount my SoilOptix sensor on? This is a pretty simple one, so let's get into it. The sensor can be mounted on any vehicle that can travel across difficult landscapes. Field travel speed limits are approximately 10 to 12 miles per hour, or 15 to 20 kilometers per hour. We suggest taking the field in 40-foot or 12-meter swath widths. The sensor is mounted approximately 2 feet or 60 centimeters off the ground. The vehicle can be one that you're already comfortable driving across the field with. Typically, we see our sensor being mounted on the front or back of a side-by-side, ATV, or pickup truck, using a 2-inch or 5-centimeter hitch receiver. A great aspect about the sensor is that it offers very flexible mounting options. For example, in permanent cropping systems like orchards or vineyards, we're able to side mount the sensor instead of the front or back to sense closer to the base of the crop, as opposed to the middle of the row. Please visit us at SoilOptix.com for more information. Thanks for watching!